100 na po.
Dex.
Dex. Bago.
Then, penging naman akong sample, i-video ko lang to para maisama sa ano. Penging sample lang shoe.
Ito po. And ano, yung straight.
This is sure. This is the before and after. We will make sure that it will be cleaned up after applying the Sure All-Purpose Cleaner. Okay? This is the water, and it will be diluted like this. This is a monoblock chair. Okay. All we need to do is just spray it and leave the area for about a minute, because this is very much madumi. Okay, see, I'm just going to, I have already worked on this. This is like this before, but after spraying for it for about a minute, then this is how it is right now, as you can see. But on this, I would like to work on this area like this. So if you're going to see, it is already working out. So I have to have a rag that can just wipe it off, as we said always.
You know, that's why.
Yeah, like this. Then on this area, let's see.
I'll send her na lang nakapit. I'll send her on the list.
See how it's working out? So, repeat the whole process until you reach the desired surface or color that you want, or the cleanliness. Is it like this?
Gusto ko ng ano.
So,
Katulad po sa inyo na may
as you can see, before and after.
No, I noticed that you have tester sizes.
We have a tester.
Ay, this one pa, if you want to get a demo kit, it's 150 lang po. Bali 6 pieces po lang.
Okay.
I have that.
Okay. And this is a concentrate for them.
Yeah,
Apo.
they're already
Concentrate.
concentrated. They are still concentrated.
Okay, this is for
See, this is what makes Sure very effective. After a couple of minutes, 2 minutes, and you can see the difference now, before and after. This is the table of Lenny. Lenny Perez. See how it works? If you wanted to clean more, repeat the whole process so you can see, and leave it about 30 seconds. Or you can work on it while doing something that you can, so that you will see how it really works. Ganito po siya. I just have to repeat the whole process to obtain yung desired cleanliness na gusto ko. Yung desired na linis. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it.
and then the 3 extra, no, the 4.
So,
1.
wala po siyang residue. Doesn't have any residue.
Bakit na yung
Just spray and wipe it out. Sure All-Purpose Cleaner of RJM Enterprise. Sure na sure. So, linisin na rin po natin itong area na to. Yan. See how it works? It is diluted. I diluted it.
And give me na dyan a demo kit so I don't have to open everything.
You want the kit pa? Tita, you have extra ka na. Yung kit.
Wala na eh. Bigyan kita mamaya at papuntahin ko si Arnold.
Ay, I'll send it to you na lang po.
I'll pay you na para I don't have to.
Papahingi na lang.
Punta si Arnold sa office eh. We have an office po. We have an office in Cubao. At may planta po tayo.
You have a sprayer na po.
Ang dami sa grocery. And I want to make sure that I get the clear one because a lot of the
Because,
sprayers
yeah.
are matte.
Meron
So I
ito
can-
sa office, then they are selling it 25 pesos. Yung ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero sa Watson, this is 70 pesos.
Kahit yung mga pinanggalingan nyo lang ng spray.
Ito 25 pesos only. Meron
Okay.
sa office.
My pet peeve with the local sprays, because I order my sprays from the States, is that a lot of them do not spray this way.
Yeah.
It's like a nozzle and it goes soop.
50 na. But this
It
one,
drives me crazy.
this one, it does.
Yeah. So that's
Tsaka may difference